Okay, today we got some posts. We got 16 posts today. We ordered 25 or 30. Not sure what kind of wood it is. I've asked and stuff. They say you can put them in the ground, it'll last forever. We will see. Got a few of them loaded already. They're approximately 5.5 to 6 feet tall, somewhere in there. And we're going to plant our dragon fruit around them. We'll put some rebar or some a tire up on top of them so the dragon fruit has something to hang over and stuff. But there is our posts for our dragon fruit. Not sure how this is going to work, but this is about what we have here, or we can make cement posts and stuff. And didn't have a lot of time to make cement posts. These were delivered here and they weren't expensive. They're like 150 pesos each, $3 each, something like that. So that is our post for our dragon fruit. We will see if dragon fruit like them. We are putting our posts in the ground for our dragon fruit. I think we got like 16 of them done today. Not sure how they're gonna work yet. It's a wooden post, but going through the lockdown, really is about as good as we can do going through here. Not a lot of building materials available. And my lovely assistant here, putting the posts in. I dig the holes, she puts the posts in. Like I say, we got 16 of them down through here. Kind of looks a little bit like Stonehenge. Not quite, yeah, like Stonehenge. Witches are gonna pray here and do their sacrifices here, the witches will. Huh? Yeah, kind of cool, huh? Lost my glasses somewhere. Yeah, it kind of looks a little bit like Stonehenge down through here. But we decided to put them right here next to our rice fields. We got plenty of sun through the day. We've got 10, 15 more posts coming. We'll plant them all the way upside the rice field. This is where we're going to put our first dragon fruit that we have anyway. And if we get some more, we'll figure it out somewhere else. But we figured we'd just do it here first. We got lots of room. We got lots of room in our forest and our jungle. So, gosh, I got wonderful helpers right there today. Got a dragon fruit dog or mascot. She's helping.
Mascot?
Yeah, mascot means kind of like, you know, if you're a football team, you have a dog or a squirrel for a mascot. Okay. It's kind of your, I don't know. I don't know how to explain what a mascot is, but kind of. It's not a bad thing.
Hi guys.
Yeah, I dig them. She puts them in the ground. I got one more hole to do today. Like I said, that gives us 16. We're waiting for the rest of the posts to show up. I think the dragon fruit will like crawling up them. These things are pretty sticky. The dragon fruit can climb onto them really well. Just not sure how we're going to deal with the tires and the hoop at the top yet. But we will figure that all out when we get there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Till then, stay cool, stay sexy.
Stay cool, stay sexy.
What is about you, dog? Hey, dog. You stay cool, you stay sexy? Yeah, I don't know about you, dog. Yeah, now we got scarecrows. Yeah. I don't know. But that's it for this one. That's a nice little short one. We'll just throw some pictures in with it and stuff. And the rest of it will be planting dragon fruit around it.